Your building is bleeding energy, and no one's watching. Right now, as you read this, somewhere in your facility, systems are running at full capacity in empty rooms. Fragmented building systems are the silent budget killer for every facility operator and CXO managing large campuses. Reactive maintenance means you fix things after they break, not before. No real-time visibility means energy waste is invisible until the bill arrives. No ESG data means compliance is a quarterly fire drill. This is the norm. But it doesn't have to be. NSP Intelligent Building Solutions directly addresses every one of these pain points. Predictive maintenance cuts downtime by 30 to 40%. AI-driven energy optimization delivers 25 to 40% cost reduction. Automated ESG reporting across GRI, SASB, BRSR, and TCFD. No manual effort. One platform, real outcomes, measurable from day one. If your building still runs on reactive management, it's time for a conversation. Drop a comment or DM us to book a demo.